Are you looking for the best quiet blender? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best blenders on the market before we get started with our video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range starting at number 1. Blendtec Pro 800. Why choose a powerhouse blender over a quiet one when you can have both? This Blendtec model offers you both privileges with a rating of 3.8 horsepower operating at 1,800 watts, a sound enclosure and advanced airflow technology. The plastic removable sound enclosure hood is sealed to minimize sound by up to 10 decibels. It features a pulse key, 11 speed options and 6 settings: smoothies, batters, whole juice, mixed drinks, pulse, frozen treats and hot soup. You can toggle between automatic and manual speed by pressing the key under the on-off button. The illuminated interactive touch screen displays the remaining time and cycle information. The wild side jar has a capacity of 36 ounces and features blunt blades that can puree almost anything you wish. What's more, you have a 10-year warranty covering parts, shipping and labor. The package includes a blending guide and several recipes. Number 2. Vitamix Blending Station. Advanced commercial blenders should be able to handle a large volume of orders, and this model is well equipped to handle several requests for milkshakes, smoothies, juices and iced drinks. It operates at 1,800 watts and is rated at 3 peak horsepower and equivalent of 34 amperes of power. The 6 beverage buttons, 93 speed variables and 34 built-in cycle programs provide you with several options to blend the right consistency for your menu recipes. The variable pulse allows you to tailor the mixtures. You can access the control settings through a user-friendly touchscreen interface. The pitcher, which has a built-in no-drip spout, has a capacity of 48 ounces. It widens at the base to reduce cavitation. You can add ingredients to the blender through the cap on the lid while the blender is still running. The removable cover and heavy insulation dampen the noise. The cover can also be easily reassembled and cleaned. Its automatic switch-off mechanism frees you up to multitask. The polycarbonate material is NSF certified and O-listed for safety compliance. It is also RoHS and C certified 6,001,257. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Professional Blender is the blender to go for if you are looking for a powerful, quiet and affordable option. The pitcher is made of plastic while the blades, which rotated 150 miles per hour, are made of stainless steel. It features a pulse capability that prevents overprocessing and a variable speed dial that you can use to control the speed and select any of the 4 built-in settings for a perfect consistency, which include puree, smoothie, clean and ice crush, making it a great blender for protein shakes, fraps and sauces. The shatterproof jar has a capacity of 32 ounces. Once the timer is up, the blender automatically stops, which means you don't have to monitor the blending process. It has a powerful motor that operates at 1,500 watts and an optimal horsepower rating of 2.0. The noise is greatly reduced by the motor, which allows optimal conditions for air to flow efficiently, and the removable shield that can also be used as a serving pitcher. The rubber components muffle the sound as well. The clean setting allows the jar to clean itself, while its cooling system prevents overheating when blending mixtures. You can also clean its BPA-free jar and other parts safely in the dishwasher. The tamper comes in handy when blending tough or frozen ingredients. Its limited warranty of 5 years is an attractive incentive that will ensure you are covered for a considerable period. Number 4. Tribus PBG 5001A. Customers have likened this model's powerful performance to Tribes blenders, but with the additional groundbreaking vacuum technology. Vacuum blenders go the extra mile by removing oxygen before blending to preserve nutrients that can be destroyed through oxidization. This is achieved by its tight seal and vacuum functionality. You can alternate between regular and vacuum blending. The vacuum feature only works with the preset automated functions, not manual settings. This blender has a variable speed dial and a pulse option to power up the speed. Its 500-watt motor and the stainless steel blade make crushing ice and seeds easy. This product is a perfect blender for green smoothies, milkshakes, fraps and more, as you can select any of the built-in programs for nut soup, smoothie, vegetables and fruits by pressing the touch button. The BPA-free pitcher has a capacity of 42 ounces and can be cleaned in a dishwasher. Thanks for watching.